If your business operates in the construction industry and/or pays subcontractors for construction work, then it probably needs to be registered with a Construction Industry Scheme, or CIS. CIS sets down rules for handling payments for construction work made by contractors to subcontractors. The rules set out which businesses are contractors or subcontractors. You're a contractor if your business uses subcontractors for construction work or spends on average over £1 million annually on construction operations over a 3-year period. And you're a subcontractor if you agree to do construction work for a contractor. This is a broad definition as it doesn't matter how the work gets done. It could be done by you alone, or by people you employ, or by subcontractors you hire. It's all the same. CIS applies to everyone. You might well work as both a contractor and a subcontractor at the same time, in which case you will have to follow the rules as both a contractor and a subcontractor. Contractors must register for CIS. It's compulsory. Subcontractors should register for CIS if they don't want deductions at the higher rate taken from their payments. Registration as a contractor is simple to do, either through the HMRC website or by telephone. To register as a subcontractor, there are 3 options. You can ring the helpline for the newly self-employed, you can ring the CIS contact centre, or you can complete a paper application form and send it to HMRC. When you register as a contractor and/or as a subcontractor, you will need to provide some employment details for HMRC so that they can set you up on the scheme. Once you're registered with CIS, if you're a contractor, then you need to fulfil some requirements for HMRC. You need to check that all your subcontractors are registered with HMRC. Pay subcontractors according to the rules, gross or net of CIS deductions. Submit monthly returns to HMRC, detailing subcontractor payments and deductions. A key part of CIS is the rules governing payments in the construction sector. If you're a contractor, you must pay subcontractors as directed by HMRC. Gross, with no deductions. Net of deduction at 20%. Net of deduction at 30%. And pay the sums deducted to HMRC each month. If you're a contractor, you must also issue payment and deduction statements to those subcontractors from whom you must make a deduction. Submit monthly returns to HMRC, showing payments to all your subcontractors and any deductions you were required to make. Keep records of all payments and deductions. If you're a subcontractor, your contractor normally deducts 20% from the value of your invoices to pay HMRC on account of your tax and national insurance liability. To avoid this, you need to ask HMRC if you're eligible to be paid gross. If you don't register at all, you'll have deductions taken from your payments at the higher rate, which is 30%. Whether you're a contractor, subcontractor or both, you'll find all the further information you need on our website.